All right, a live look right now, 4:43 this morning, and we are headed outside where it is cold, not raining, thankfully. But look at the White House this morning. See the wreath up above. What do we need to know, Taylor? Is it going to dip? Are we going to see snow?
Maybe there's a chance tomorrow that we maybe get some nice snow showers. Nothing to cause any kind of travel delays by any means.
Nice snow showers?
But I know. But there's a chance we'll get some flurries out there tomorrow evening. Does that sound a little bit better? Anyway, today's going to be dry. We had some rainfall move through late last night. That has since cleared the area. You'll probably notice if you're up very early this morning, the ground is still wet. 44 degrees currently in downtown D.C. We have some cloud coverage still lingering. That live look right now is actually, I think, at I can't tell if that's the wharf or National Harbor. I think it's the wharf right there. Winds are out of the north and west between 10 to 15 miles per hour, so adding a little bit of a chill to the air. That breeze will really help the ground dry out over the next couple of hours. 40s across the board temperature-wise, so yes, it will be a chilly start to the morning, and then it's just not going to warm up throughout the day, really. Live look at satellite radar imagery showing the last bit of rain. It's exited the lower eastern shore. The rest of the DMV appears to be fairly dry out there, so for the rest of today, we're featured some dry weather. It will be much colder, though, so kind of right where we should be with the temperatures for this point of December. Seasonally chilly. I think most of you should remain in the 40s throughout the day. I went with 48 degrees for the afternoon high. We'll finally get that sunshine back, which will be so nice to see out there. Maybe some clouds mixing in later on this afternoon and then into tonight. It still may remain a little bit breezy, much colder, too. I think most areas drop into the 30s by early tomorrow morning, and then here we go with the downward trend over the next couple of days with the temperatures low 40s for most of you heading into Friday. With that, as I just mentioned, we'll have the chance for maybe a brief snow shower or some flurries out there later tomorrow evening. So here we go as we see a clipper system kind of brush us from the west. We'll maybe get a couple of sprinkles or some snow flurries out there later in the day Friday into the evening. So not a huge threat. I don't think it's going to cause any kind of travel delays, just a pretty sight if we do get any kind of flurries out there tomorrow. 7-day forecast. The weekend does shape up to be dry, however, much colder. So that bitter Arctic blast will arrive starting Saturday, which is the first day of winter. And then Sunday will really feel the effects of that, where it's going to be a struggle to even get out of the low 30s. Upper 30s on Monday. Christmas Eve looks dry, although chilly, and then maybe some rain showers arrive later in the day on Christmas.